Good morning, children. Welcome to our grade 4 mathematics online class. So, last class we have discussed about multiplication, isn't it? And today we are going to continue the Roman number 3, that is patterns in multiplication. Patterns in multiplication. So, in the third standard itself, you have studied this, isn't it? Patterns in multiplication. So, I will give some example you can able to understand. So listen ma, just we can take a first example as if you want to multiply 4 into 10. 4 into 10. So how will you multiply? You have to multiply the 10 with the 4, otherwise 4 into 10, isn't it ma? So what's the simple way means, just you have to multiply the 4 with the 1, because 10 means in the 1's place we have 0 and 10's place we have 1. So we can multiply the 4 with the 10's place value. That means with the 1. Okay. So 4 by 1. 4 into 1 is what ma? 4. Okay. 4 into 1 is 4. And in the 10 we have 0 in the 1's place, isn't it? So that 0 we can able to write in the back of the 4. So 4 into 10 is 40. We know, isn't it ma? 4 into 10 is 40. Likewise, suppose if you want to multiply the same number 4 into 100. Okay, 4 into 100. So how will you multiply 4 into 100? Yes, first we have to multiply the 4 with the 10's place. Sorry, 1's and 10's we have 0. No, so just we can leave it. 100 place we have 1. So 4 into 1. Okay, this 1's place into the 100 place. That is 1. So 4 into 1 is 4. And next we got the 100 place value, that is 4 we got it, and in the 10's and 1's we have 0. So that zeros we can able to write at the back of the 4. So what's our answer now? 400. Okay, so 4 into 100, 400. Likewise, if you want to multiply the 4 with the 1000, means what we have to do ma? Yes, we have to multiply the 4 by 1. Okay, 4 into the 1000 place we have 1. No, so 4 into 1 is 4. Next, at the back of the 1 we have 3 zeros, isn't it, in the 1000 place. So 1000. So we can write the 3 zeros at the back of the 4. What's our answer ma? 4000. 4 into 1000 is 4000. So suppose if you want to multiply 93, okay, 93 into 100. Okay, so here it's 3 digit value, and here also this is 2 digit. Okay, so here we are going to multiply a 2 digit by 3 digits. So how to do it ma? So we know that in the fill-up itself we learned, isn't it ma? Suppose if you want to multiply a number by 1 means we will get the same number. So 93 into 1, what's the answer? Yes, 93 is the answer. And afterwards, after multiplying 1 into 93, we got 93. So in the 100, how many zeros are there? Yes, 2 zeros are there, isn't it ma? So we can write the 2 zeros at the back of the 93. So our answer is what now? 9300. Okay, 9300 is our answer. Okay. The next we can see one more example. 35 into 1000. Okay, 35 into 1000. Okay ma. So listen, here also we have 3 zeros, isn't it? 3 zeros. So we have to multiply 35 into 1. So this is a very easiest way. Okay? This is a pattern in multiplication. So at the back we have zeros. We have to multiply the 35 into 1. Okay, 35 into 1 is what ma? So we will get the answer as 35, isn't it? 35 into 1 is 35. And how many zeros are there in the 1000 ma? Yes, we have 3 zeros. That 3 zeros we can write at the back of the 5. So what's our answer now? 35,000. Okay, so 35 into 1000, 35,000. Okay, so likewise if you multiply 42 into 2. Okay, 42 into 2. Okay, so 42 into 2, how will you multiply ma? Here and all we have 10, 100, 1000 places. No, so that's very easy, isn't it? If you multiply a number by 10 or 1000 or 100 means it's very easy, because in the 1000, 100 and all we have only one value will be there, and the remaining everything will be 0. So we can able to multiply in very simple form. But here it's 2 is there. It's not 10 or 100 or 1000. But here we have 2. So first we have to multiply the 42 with the 2. So we can do it as a rough work. Okay, this is a rough work. So 42 into 2. Okay. So listen, we know we have to multiply the 2 by the ones place. What's the ones place we have in the 42? Yes, in the 42 ones place we have 2 and tens place we have 4. So we have to multiply the 2 by the ones place. That is 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Next we have to multiply the 2 by tens place by. Tens place we have 4. So 4 2s are 8. So our answer is what ma? 84 is our answer. So if you multiply 42 by 2 means 84 is the answer. So we can write 84. Okay. 84. So if you multiply 42 into 2 is 84. So therefore, likewise, if you multiply 420 into 20, what will be the answer, ma? See once again our question. We have multiplied 42 by 2, so our answer is 84. So therefore, likewise, 420 into 20 if you multiply means, listen, here also we have 42 and here also 2 is there. Remaining 2 zeros we have, isn't it, ma? In the 420 we have 1 0 and in the 20 we have 1 0 is there. So just we have to keep the zeros as it is, and first we can multiply the 42 by 2. So we know 42 by 2 means what's the answer? 84 is the answer. 42 into 2 is 84 is the answer. And remaining we have here 1 0 and here 1 0. Just we have to write the 2 zeros at the back of that 84. So we have multiplied the 420 by 20. So our answer is 8400. Okay, 8400. Have you understood, ma'am? So if you have a zeros at the back of the number, if you want to multiply the two numbers, if you have 0 at the back of that numbers means just first we have to multiply the non-zero numbers and next we can write the zeros at the back. This condition will satisfy if you have the zeros at the back. That means at the ones place if you have 0 and tens place if you have 0 only, we can able to satisfy this condition. Suppose if you have here 402 means we can't able to write the 0 at the back of the number. It's not possible. Okay, so you have to understand in the ones place if you have 0 means we can do it. Otherwise if you have ones, tens places, both places you have zeros means we can do it. Okay, ma? I understood. Then we can see one more example. So if 81 into 2, okay, so 81 into 2, so just we can multiply the 81 into 2. 81 into 2. So 1 into 2, isn't it? Ones place into by 2. Okay, so ones place we have 1. So 1 into 2 is 2. Next we have to multiply the tens place by 2. Tens place we have 8, isn't it? So 8 into 2. 8 2s are what? My 8 2s are 16. Okay, 8 2s are 16. Okay, so our answer is what? Now we got answer as 162. Okay, so 81 into 2 is 162. So therefore, so if you got like this means, so therefore 810 into 200. Okay, 810 into 200. So here 81 into 2 we got 162. So just we can write the 162 as it is. And look at here, why I have written means in the ones place here we have 1 0 and in the 200 we have ones and tens places are zeros. Already I informed to you, if you have zeros at ones place and if you have the ones and tens place and 100 place if you have zeros means we can able to satisfy by the patterns in multiplication method. Okay, otherwise it's not possible. So here listen, ma, in 810 we have 1 0 and in the 200 we have 2 zeros. So if you add how many zeros are there? Yes, totally 3 zeros, isn't it? 1 2 3, 3 zeros. That 3 zeros we can write at the back of the 162. So what's our answer now? Now our answer is 1,62,000. Okay, 1,62,000. Okay, understood this? Listen, ma, this and no need to write in a booklet. Okay, so I will give some notes. Okay, usually I will give the notes. No, by looking the notes, you can write the notes in your booklets. Okay, don't copy this. Okay, this is some examples I gave. Okay ma, understood this? So next Roman number we have Roman number 4, multiplication by breaking up numbers. Multiplication by breaking up numbers. So listen ma, have you learned this topic in the grade 3? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, listen. So while multiplying you can able to break the numbers. Okay ma, I understood. So when you are multiplying a number by another number, you can break the numbers and multiply. So why we are breaking the numbers and multiplying means it will make the multiplication very simple way. Okay ma? So while multiplying you can break up one number into a simple form. So you can make the bigger number into simple form by breaking the number. So why we are breaking means to multiply the numbers, it will make it easy. So only we are breaking the numbers and multiplying. Okay ma? So this method, this multiplication by breaking up number method is used for make the multiplication very simple. Okay, so let us see the first example so you can able to understand. Okay ma? So see the first question we have. We are going to multiply 326 by 7. Okay, 326 by 7. So this 326 is a 3-digit number. Is it ma? It's a 3-digit number. Ones, tens, hundred. It's a 3-digit number. We are going to multiply by 1 digit. Okay. So this 3-digit we can able to break it into 300 plus 20 plus 6. Is it we can able to break it like this ma? Yes, isn't it? So 326 we can break it as 300 plus 20 plus 6. Okay. So next we can able to multiply the 300 with the 7. Next we have to multiply 20 with the 7. Likewise we have to multiply 6 with the 7. So very easy to multiply. Okay ma? So listen how to multiply means first we can write the solution. So here we are going to multiply 326 into 7. So first we can break the 326. Okay, so we have to write 326 into 7 is equal to, so first we are going to break this number. So we have to break it like 300 plus 20 plus 6. So here I have written 326 as 300 plus 20 plus 6. Listen, don't put multiplication symbol, but sorry, because here we are going to add. Okay ma? So if you add 300 plus 20 means 320. Next 320 plus 6 is 326. Okay, so we have written this 326 as 300 plus 20 plus 6. We have break the 326 as 300 plus 20 plus 6. Next into 7 we are going to multiply by 7 now. So remaining here we have written this number to this form, then remaining we have into 7 multiplication symbol and 7. And one more thing, you have to put the bracket. Okay ma? So if you are breaking a number means it must be inside the bracket. Okay, next we are going to multiply the each number by 7. So we can, first number we have 300 no? So 300 into multiplication symbol. Okay, into 7. Okay, here only have to write plus inside the numbers. Here we are going to multiply the each number by 7 no? So 300 into 7 and put inside the bracket. Okay, the next what symbol is there ma? Plus symbol. Okay, so plus. So next number is what ma? 20. So open the bracket and write 20. Then into 7 we are going to multiply the 20 by 7. So into 7. Next symbol we have plus. So before that you have to close the bracket and put the symbol plus and open the bracket. Next, so next number is 6 no? So write 6. Then remaining thing we have into 7. Okay, I understood this. So first we have to break the number, the given number as like this and put plus symbol in between the numbers. Okay ma? And next we have to put into symbol. Into means multiplication symbol into 7. Okay, then we have to multiply the each number by 7. That means 300 into 7 plus 20 into 7 plus 6 into 7. Next we can multiply the numbers. Okay ma? So listen, now it's like a pattern form. Okay, so in the last Roman number we learned no patterns in multiplication. That form we have bring it now. Okay, ma. So first we can multiply 3 into 7. Okay, 3 into 7 no, because remaining numbers we have 0 only. So just we can write the zeros at the back of the number. So first we can multiply 3 into 7. I understood? 300 we have 3 and 2 zeros are there. So just we can leave the 2 zeros and remain what we have ma? Only we have 3 no. So 3 into 7, 3 into 7. We know 3 table no. So 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18 and 7 3s are 21. So 7 into 3, 21. Okay. So we can write 21 and we have leave the 2 zeros no. That's it. 2 zeros we can write at the back of the 21. Now we got 210. So if you multiply 300 into 7 means you will get 2100. Okay. Then what symbol is there ma? Plus symbol. So we can write the plus symbol. Next we are going to multiply 20 by 7. Okay, 20 by 7. That means 2 into 7 because 20 we have 2 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place. No, so just we can see leave the 0. Now we can able to multiply the 2 and the 7. Okay, 2 and 7. We know 2 into 7 is what ma? 14. No, isn't it? 2 into 7 is 14. 2 sevens are 14. So that 14 we can write it. And the 20 we have 1 0 no in the ones place. So that 0 we can write at the back of the 14. Now we have multiplied 20 into 7. So 20 into 7 what's the answer? 140 is the answer. Okay, 140. Then what symbol is there ma? Yes, plus symbol is there. So we can write the plus symbol. And next we have to multiply 6 into 7. 6 sevens are what? If you know 6 table means we can say, otherwise you can say the 7 table. Okay, 6 sevens are, yes, we can say 6 table no. So 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36 and 7 6 are 42. So we got 42. Okay, now we got 2100, then 140 and 42. So everything we have the plus symbol in between. So we have to add the numbers. Okay ma. So just we can do it as a rough work. So what is the number? 2100. Next 0 4 1 and next 2 4. This numbers we can able to add. So put the plus symbol and add it. Okay. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Next 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Next in the 100 place we have 1. So 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Next at the 1000 place we have 2 alone. So that 2 we can write it the down. Okay. So what's the answer ma now? Yes, if you add this numbers means we got the answer as 2282. So we can write 2282 and place the comma. Next line we can write the answer is equal to 2282. So it's very easy, no? So by multiplying directly by 326 by 7, just we can break the number as 300 plus 20 plus 6 into 7. So it's very easy. Just we can add the zeros at the back of the number. First we have to multiply the numbers, given numbers, and at the back we can add the zeros. Okay. Afterwards we have to get the product and add it. Okay. All the product we have to add, and at the last we can get the final answer. So second sum we are going to multiply a 4 digit by 2 digit. Okay, 4 digit means what we have ma? 3214. Okay, 3240 we are going to multiply by 22. This is a 2 digit value, no 22. So just first we have to break the numbers. The first question we have 3 digit and 1 digit, no. So 1 digit no need to split, isn't it? So here we have to split the numbers, the two sides of the numbers. Okay ma. So we can split the numbers first. So before that we can write the solution, and we are going to multiply 3240 by 22. So first we can split the 3240 as 3000. Listen how I have written this 300 means. So first in the 1000 place we have 3, no. So just we can write 3 as it is, and the next 100 place, tens and ones place we can write the zeros. Okay. So next plus symbol. Okay, don't forget, if you are splitting the numbers means we have to write the plus symbol in between the numbers. Okay. So next what we have, my next digit is 2. Okay, in the 100 place we have 2. So we can write the 2. And in the tens and ones place we can place it 0. So we got 200. Then put the plus symbol. Okay. Then what's the next tens place what we have? Yes, tens place we have 1. So 1 and ones place we can write 0. Okay. Then plus. And at the last only one digit is there, that is 4. Okay, and close the bracket. So see here, 3214 we have split it as 3000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 4. Okay. Then into, next symbol is what? Into symbol is there, no? So into 22. Okay. Understood this? So here we have split the 3214 as 3000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 4 into 22. Okay, into 22. So next we are going to multiply the each number. Okay, each number by 22. Okay, ma. So we are going to multiply the 3000 into, okay, this number by this number. Okay, listen, first this one into this one. So into symbol means multiplication symbol. Okay, so into 22. So that one you have to place it inside the bracket. Okay, then next symbol is what? Plus symbol is there. So plus. Then next value is what? Before that you have to open the bracket. Next value we have 200. Okay, so 200. The 200 into this number. Okay, so each number by 22. So 200 multiplied by 22. 200 multiplied by 22. Close the bracket. Then next plus symbol is there. So place the plus symbol. Next value is 10. So I have to multiply the 10 by 22. So 10 into 22. Close the bracket. And next we have plus symbol. So put the plus symbol. The next 4 into 22. Isn't it? 4 into 22. So we can open the bracket and write 4 multiplied by 22. Understood this? Next we are going to multiply the each number by 22. Okay. So listen. So that is equal to, first we have to multiply the 22 by 3. Otherwise 3 by 22. Okay, ma? So just we can do the rough work. You want to do the rough work at the right side of the booklet. Okay, ma? Here I have no place, that's why I am going to write in the rough paper. So first we have 22, no? So 22 into 3. Because in the ones, tens and 100 place we have 0 now. So that's why I am going to take the 3 alone. We have to multiply by 22. Okay, ma? And next we can place the zeros at the back of that number. So 22 into 3. First we can multiply the 3 by the ones place. That is 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Likewise, next 3 into 2 is 3 2s are 6. So we got 66 as the answer. No. So we can write the 66 here. 66, and at the back of the 3000 how many zeros are there? Yes, 3 zeros. That 3 zeros we can place at the back of 66. Now we got 66,000. So plus. Then next symbol is plus symbol. So put the plus symbol. Next we have to multiply the 22 by 2. Okay, 22 by 2. Because at the 200 we have 2 zeros now. One sentence place we have 0. So we have to multiply the 100 place we have 2. So 22 by 2. So if you multiply 22 into 2. Okay. So 2 2s are, that means 1's place into 2. 2 2s are 4. Next one 10's place into 2. 2 2s are 4. So we got 44 as the answer. So we can write this 44 here. 44. So in the 200 how many zeros are there? Yes, 2 zeros are there. So that 2 zeros we can place at the back of the 44. Okay, now we got 4,400. Then plus. Look at next one, ma. Next number 10 into 22. Isn't it? 10 into 22. So we have to multiply the 1 into 22, isn't it? Because the 10 we have 1 and 0. So we have to multiply the 10's place with the 22. So that is 1 into 22. 1 into 22 is what, ma? Yes. 1 into 22 is 22. And in the 10 we have 1 0 in the 1 0 in the 1's place. No, that 0 we can place at the back of the 22. So we got 220 plus. Next we have to multiply the 4 by 22. Okay, 4 by 22. That we can able to multiply. So 22 into 4, isn't it? So we have to multiply the 4 by the 1's place, that is 2. So 4 2's are 8. Next, likewise 10's place we have 2. So 2 into 4. 2 4's are 8. So we got 88 as the answer. That 88 we can write it here. So 88. Okay, ma. So if you multiply 3000 by 22 means you got the answer as 66,000. Next we have multiply 22 by 200. If you multiply means we got the answer as 4,400. Next 10 into 22 is 220. 220. Likewise if you multiply 22 into 4 means we got 88. Next we can add, isn't it? Plus symbol is there now, so we have to add this values. Okay, ma. This is a rough work. This also you have to write the right side of the booklet. So first value is 66,000. Next one 0 0, then 4 and 4. Next one 0 2 2. Next 8 8. These numbers we are going to add it. Okay. So listen. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. Okay, so we got 8. Next one 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 8. Yes, 2 plus 8 is 10, isn't it? So 10. So we have to write the 0 in the 10's place and 1 balance. No, that we can write in the 100 place. Okay. So next 1 plus 0 is 0. Sorry, 1 plus 0 is 1. Next 1 plus 4 is what? 1 plus 4 is 5. Then 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. And here no number, no. So 5 plus 2 is 7 we got. So we can write the 7 here. Next one 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is what, ma? Yes, 6 plus 4 is 10. And here no values, no. So 10 means we can write the 0. And once balance we can write in the 10,000 place value above. Okay. So next we have 6 plus 1. Isn't it? 6 plus 1 is what? 7. And here no values, no. That 7 we can write in the down. So what's our answer now? We got the answer as 70,708. So our answer is what, ma? Our answer is 70,708 is our answer. Okay, this is a rough work. Okay. It's a rough work. Rough work, everything you have to write with the pencil, and the problems you have to write with the pen. Okay. When you are writing with the pen, write neatly and look at next problem. So next problem, here we are going to multiply the 3-digit value by 3-digit. Okay. So first question we have multiply 3-digit by 1 digit. Next second question we have multiply the 4-digit by 2-digit. Here we are going to multiply the 3-digit by 3-digit. That is 111 by 239. Okay. 111 by 239. So we know we have to break the number. Okay. First number is what? What's our multipliand? Yes, multipliand is 111 and multiplier is 239. So we have to split the multipliand. So first we can write the solution and write the question as it is. That is 111 into 239. So we can split the numbers as 1 first. In the 100 place we have 1 known. Then remaining 10s and 1s we can place the zeros. Okay. So 100 plus then Next value is 1. So write the 1, and the 1's place we have to write 0. So 10 plus, and 1's place we have 1. So we have split the 111 as 100 plus 10 plus 11. So if you add this number also, you will get the same value only. Okay, ma? Then into what number? Into what symbol? Into symbol is there, and number is 239. So next we have to write separately. Okay, so how to write separately, ma? We have to write the numbers 100. Okay, open the bracket, 100 into, okay, first we have to multiply this number by this number. So 100 multiplied by 239 and close the bracket. And next we have plus symbol now. So put plus symbol, open the bracket. Next we have 10. Okay, 10 multiplied by 239, close the bracket, and plus symbol we have to place it. So plus, open the bracket, 1, isn't it? Next value is 1 now. So 1 multiplied by 239 and close the bracket. I understood? First we have break the, otherwise we have to split the 111 as 100 plus 10 plus 1, and we have to multiply that number by 239. So we have written that. Next we have to write the each number separately. That means 100 into 239 plus 10 multiplied by 239 plus 1 is multiplied by 239. Okay, next we can multiply the numbers. So we can multiply, that is equal to, listen, we have to multiply the 100 by this number now. So in the 100 we have 1s and 10s place we have zeros now. So we have to multiply the 1 by 239. So we know if you multiply any number by 1 means we will get the same number now, the number itself. So 1 into 239 is 239, and remaining 1s and 10s place we have 0 now. That zeros we have to place at the back of that number. Okay, now we got 29,900. Okay, 29,900. So if you multiply 100 by 239 means we got the answer as 23,900. Then next what symbol is there? Yes, plus symbol is there. So place the plus symbol. Next we have to multiply 10 by 239. So just we can leave the 1's place, and 10's place we have 1 now. So 1 into 239 is 239. And in the 10's place we have 1 0 now. That 0 we can place at the back of that number. So we got 2,390. 2,390 we got it. Then next plus symbol is there. So place the plus symbol. Next we have to multiply the 1 by 239. So we know if you multiply 1 by any number means we will get the same number. So we will get 239. So now we got the product. This products everything we have to add it. Okay, ma? So we can add the product. So take the pencil and write it. So what's the first value, ma? 23900. Next one 0932. Next value is 932. So we can add this number. So if you add means you will get 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 9 is 9. Next 0 plus 9 is 9. 9 plus 3 is what, ma? 9 plus 3 is 12. So we can write the 1's place. That means 2 here. And the next one we can write in the 1,000. Sorry, 1,000 not, no. 100 place above. Okay, 100 place value above. So next we have to add all the 100 places. So 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. So 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 2. Yes, 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 means we can write the 5 and 1 will be the balance. That balance we can write in the 1,000 place value above. Okay. So 1,000 place we have 2, 3 and 1. Now we have to add the 1 with the 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is what, ma? 4 plus 2 is 6. Next, the 2 is alone. That 2 we can write in the down. So what's our answer? We got it now. So we got the answer as 26,529. So if you multiply 111 by 239 means what's our answer? 26,529 is our answer. Okay ma. So we can write the answer as, so answer is equal to 26,529 is our answer. Have you understood this? Very easy only. First we have to break the numbers like this. Okay, break the number and we have to multiply by the multiplier. Okay ma. So children, I am going to give some homework in the book and as well as in the booklet. Okay, so booklet homework you have to do in the booklet and book homework you have to do it in the page number 51 and 52. Okay ma. And remaining portions we can discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.